Greetings children. Let's start with electricity for class 10. Let's start by what other name is the unit joule per coulomb called? Solution. Volt. Which of the following statements correctly defines a volt? A. A volt is a joule per ampere. Or B. A volt is a joule per coulomb. Solution. B. A volt is a joule per coulomb. A. What do the letters PD stand for? Solution. A. PD stands for potential difference. B. Which device is used to measure PD? Solution. B. Voltmeter is used to measure PD. What is meant by saying that the electric potential at a point is 1 volt? Solution. Electric potential at a point is 1 volt means 1 joule of work is done in moving 1 unit positive charge from infinity to that point. How much work is done when 1 coulomb charge moves against a potential difference of 1 volt? Solution. Potential difference equals 1V. Charge moved equals 1C. Work done equals potential difference x charge moved. Equals 1 by 1 equals 1J. What is the SI unit of potential difference? Solution. Volt. How much work is done in moving a charge of 2 coulombs across 2 points having a potential difference of 12 volts? Solution. Given. Potential difference equals 12 volts, charge moved equals 2 coulombs. We know that work done equals PDX charge moved equals 12 by 2 equals 24 joules. What is the unit of electric charge? Solution. Coulomb. Define 1 coulomb charge. Solution. 1 coulomb of charge is that quantity of charge which exerts a force of 9 times 109 Newton on an equal charge is placed at a distance of 1 meter from it. Fill in the following blanks with suitable words. A. Potential difference is measured in volts by using a voltmeter placed in parallel across a component. B. Copper is a good conductor. Plastic is an insulator. What is meant by conductors and insulators? Give 2 examples of conductors and 2 of insulators. Solution. Conductors: those substances through which electricity can flow are known as conductors. For example, copper, silver, etc. Insulators: those substances through which electricity cannot flow are known as insulators. For example, plastic, cotton, etc. Which of the following are conductors and which are insulators? Sulfur, silver, copper, cotton, aluminium, air, nichrome, graphite, paper, porcelain, mercury, mica, bakelite, polythene, manganese. Solution. Conductor: silver, copper, aluminum, nichrome, graphite, mercury, manganese. Insulators: sulfur, cotton, air, paper, porcelain, mica, bakelite, polythene. What do you understand by the term electric potential? Or potential, at a point? What is the unit of electric potential? Solution. The electric potential, or potential, at a point in an electric field is defined as the work done in moving a unit positive charge from infinity to that point. Unit of electric potential is volt. A. State the relation between potential difference, work done and charge moved. Solution. A. Potential difference equals work done by charge moved. B. Calculate the work done in moving a charge of 4 coulombs from a point at 220 volts to another point at 230 volts. Solution. Potential difference between the 2 points delta V equals 230 minus 220 volts. Delta V equals 10 volts. Amount of charge moving Q equals 4 coulombs. Thus work done W equals Q delta V. W equals 4 times 10 equals 40 joules. A. Name a device that helps to measure the potential difference across a conductor. Solution. A. Voltmeter. B. How much energy is transferred by a 12V power supply to each coulomb of charge which it moves around a circuit? Solution. B. Given, potential difference equals 12 volts, charge moved equals 1C. We know that Work done equals potential difference x charge moved. Equals 12 by 1 equals 12 joules. Since work done on each coulomb of charge is 12 joules, the energy given to each coulomb of charge is also 12 joules. A. What do you understand by the term potential difference? Solution. A. Potential difference between 2 points in an electric circuit is defined as the amount of work done in moving a unit charge from one point to the other point. B. What is meant by saying that the potential difference between 2 points is 1 volt? Solution. B. The potential difference between 2 points is 1 volt means 1 joule of work is done in moving 1 coulomb of electric charge from one point to the other. C. What is the potential difference between the terminals of a battery if 250 joules of work is required to transfer 20 coulombs of charge from one terminal of battery to the other? Solution. C. Given, work done equals 250 J, charge moved equals 20 C. We know that potential difference equals work done, charge moved, equals 250 20 equals 12.5. D. What is a voltmeter? How is a voltmeter connected in the circuit to measure the potential difference between 2 points? Explain with the help of a diagram. Solution. D. A voltmeter is a device which is used to measure the potential difference between 2 points in an electric circuit. Voltmeter is always connected in parallel across the 2 points where the potential difference is to be measured. E. State whether a voltmeter has a high resistance or a low resistance. Give reason for your answer. Solution. E. Voltmeter has a high resistance so that it takes a negligible current from the circuit. 3 2V cells are connected in series and used as a battery in a circuit. A. What is the PD at the terminals of the battery? Solution. A. If 3 cells of 2 volt each are connected in series to make a battery, then the total potential difference between terminals of the battery will be 6 volts. B. How many joules of electrical energy does 1C gain on passing through I, 1 cell, 2, all 3 cells? Solution. B. I, given, PD equals 2 volts, charge moved equals 1C. We know that work done equals PDX charge moved equals 2 by 1. Work done equals 2 joules. 2, given, PD equals 6 volts, charge moved equals 1C. Work done equals PDX charge moved equals 6x1. Work done equals 6 joule.